I guarantee if you've been doing this from 15, 16, 17, when you're 21, 22, 23, you will be light years ahead of your peers in terms of business, knowledge and ability to make money. Young people, teenagers are always messaging me, asking me, what ideas I've got for them to make money, what should they be doing? What's the next fad that they should be kind of jumping on the back of? Funny, I was actually at dinner tonight with some friends and we were talking about our kids, whether or not they should go to uni. For me, the world is a completely different place to what it was 10, 20, 30 years ago. When I was a teenager, there was absolutely no question of the fact that I wasn't going to go to university. My parents were adamant I'd be going. I was very much from an era where if you didn't go to uni and you didn't have your life planned out at 15, 16, 17 years old, then you were almost considered a failure at that point. Right now, I think when your kids are 17, 18, 19, 22, 23, how can they know what they want to do? When you talk about what should you be doing to make money as a teenager, for me, this is the time to experiment, to learn things, to try things. If I make a video, I kind of like it to be timeless and applicable at any moment that someone wants to pick this up in the future. Depending on when you watch this, maybe the current fad is crypto, or maybe the next fad is social media marketing, or whatever it may be. And there's always going to be something of the time that is hot for people to make money from. But I think as a teenager, now is the time. Learn everything you can, find out the things that you're good at, find out the things that you're not good at, to learn new skills, to make contacts, to act as an apprentice. I mean, this is something we were talking about tonight as well, that the value that can be gained by being an apprentice, whether that's in a career, whether that's under the kind of wing of an entrepreneur or somebody in a line of business that you want to learn from. Key skills that are always going to make you money, things like sales, marketing, communication, understanding finance. Ultimately, most of the businesses that exist have very, very common principles. You've got to recruit great staff. You've got to manage those staff. You've got to know how to view a set of accounts so that you know what a business looks like, so that you know that your staff aren't taking advantage of you. All of these things for me are the things that you should be doing as a teenager, so that when you come into business later on in your life, you've got the full skill set of the toolbox. Yes, I'm sure there's a fad. It could be property, it could be crypto, it could be something to do with the web, etc., etc. When you're young, you've got to be absorbing and learning as many of these timeless principles as possible. So invest in yourself, whether that's learning online, whether that's following other gurus, whether it's reading books, whether it's working as an apprentice, whether it's working for free. Now's the time to do it. You should be doing that as a teenager. I guarantee if you've been doing this from 15, 16, 17, when you're 21, 22, 23, you will be light years ahead of your peers in terms of business, knowledge and ability to make money. I hope you've enjoyed this episode of the 5-Minute Business School. If you have, press like. If you don't already subscribe to the channel, please make sure you do, and leave a comment, leave a review, share and tell your friends all about it.